What up guys, it's your boy Nova. So in this video I'll teach you how to use Global Protect account, especially SOP account. So without further ado, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification so that if I post another video, YouTube will notify you. So let's start. The first thing you'll need is to open your Play Store and open the search bar and search Global Protect. Global Protect, and you're gonna find it and press install. It's gonna take a few minutes. It depends on your network, but let me just fast forward it. As you can see guys, it's now installed. So if it's done downloading, you have to open it. Please follow the steps carefully and try to watch the full video. I know it's tiring, but watch it. So they're gonna ask you a portal address. There are many portal address in Global Protect. So the one that I'm going to teach you about it's called SOP. You have to write here sop.sput.ac.za. You have to write this portal address. Since I'll be the one who's gonna be providing you with Global Protect account, there's no need to go hunt for them. I'll be providing you with them on my Telegram channel. So let's continue. After putting portal address, press continue. Press not continue, sorry. You have to wait. So on username and password, they're gonna need credentials for your SOP account. So if you don't have any credentials, please go to Telegram channel, because SOP account requires a proxy thing called Proxy to use it on Telegram. It works on Telegram and WhatsApp. So when you've done, go to my channel. You can search the channel Nubanet. This is my channel. Open it, not the other channels. This is my channel. So you're gonna stroll. As you can see, this is a proxy. I'm the one who's gonna be providing you with proxies and Global Protect account. So don't stress. So press, if you see this proxy, press on it and press connect. You can see it says connecting to the proxy and then connected. Boom. So now you need, the only thing you need is Global Protect account. So here is it. I've posted it yesterday, but I'll keep updating you with Global Protect SOP account. So here's the username. You just press on it and then go to Global Protect and paste. You see there are few letters missing, so let me see. Yes, it's add. You put add, then the password, you copy the password and you paste it, and you press connect. I don't know if it's gonna work because I posted it yesterday. So here's information about the account. The account only lasts for 3 days, and the more people who use it, the more it gets logged. When it gets logged, you can't connect to it. So that's why I keep uploading Global Protect account every day for updates, because some other people are not connected. So I'm gonna upload another update today for you guys. So as you can see, it's not. Let me show you that it's not working. Let me just press sign in. Oh, luckily the account is working. So press OK. Luckily the account is still working. I don't know how. Boom, now it's connected. Now the only thing you need to do is just go to Telegram, because it works on Telegram and WhatsApp, but on Opera Mini it works on Opera Mini hang to browsable. So yeah, open your Telegram. As you can see, I've connected to a proxy. It requires a proxy to work, guys, on Telegram. Here's the proxy. I'll provide you with everything you need, everything. So let's try to watch a movie or download. Let's try to watch a movie or download. Let's see. What will I watch? Wait. I'm just gonna search movie files. You can download everything you want. It's unlimited, especially on Vodacom. On Telcom it's 10 gig. On M10 500 MB. On Celsius I don't know. Cause let's see. Here's the video. Let's see. You can stream. You can stream. Damn. Let's play this movie. Hey you. Thank you for watching the video, and please follow the steps carefully so that if you want to fully understand the basics of Global Protect, these are the basics. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, because I'll be dropping videos day by day, not day by day, but every week. Thank you.